Good morning. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. We are in week 10 already. Double digits now. So this semester will be over and gone before you know it. It's time to get to work. Also, a lot of you are noticing that the topics are starting to get really hard towards the end of the pie. That's totally normal. It's not you. There's nothing wrong with you. There's just some hard topics. So when you start finding those, please don't wait till the end of the semester, because if everybody does that, I'm not going to have time to meet with everybody. So if you start having, 2 or 3 topics that are giving you some fits, let's get together now and knock those out. If you only have a few of them, we could probably get together and, maybe half an hour, just knock out some topics that you are struggling with. So let's do that. Let's get those topics done. That way we can keep you moving through your pie at a good pace. If you have any questions or you are having those topics, let me know. I'm already scheduled to meet with 2 of you this week, which is awesome. I'd love to meet with some more of you. So let's get it done and have a wonderful week.